I see Vybz Kartel pull down an award up in England there. What them call it? Mobo Award. And I say, congratulations to the artists. Greatness are greatness, you know. And you can't deny greatness. You see all the going around and coming around, you can't grow on greatness. Because this brother here, when he have Vybz Kartel, you know, have a lot more accomplishment to make. Great accomplishment too. Because this brother have a story. And it's a very interesting story. I don't know when that movie I go film. I don't know if Hollywood I go film it. I don't know if the movie company down in Jamaica they go film it. I don't know if Vybz Kartel himself I go film it. I don't know if the people who film Bob Marley thing I go film it. But all I know is this brother here have a very interesting story. And I feel if one day that movie should film, that gonna be a very interesting movie. It gonna be a #1 seller. Yes. So congratulations one more time, Vybz Kartel. You do it for dancehall. You do it for the culture. You see? We not fight the culture. And we not fight dancehall. Even though we know say a lot of madness are going on in the dancehall and a lot of things want to clean up in there. So you want no artists, you put yourself together, you know, and clean up the thing. Alright, I say, you know. Me! Shocking Morris said that.